that DMK has objected to the Chief Minister meeting the families, urging the Supreme Court to restrain him. In fact, we have details coming in after the remarks that were made by the TVK minister. DMK has actually approached the top court and has slammed these remarks. Legal editor Harish Nair joins us on the broadcast with the details. So, Harish, the Chief Minister Vijay is expected to visit Karur on the 10th of July. Before that, a lot of politics playing out. But what is this appeal of the DMK to the Supreme Court? What are the details?
Yes, a big development as far as the Karur stampede and the ongoing war between DMK and TVK is concerned. DMK has moved Supreme Court against TVK leader and Minister Adav Arjuna. More importantly, DMK also objects to CM Vijay meeting families. DMK urged Supreme Court to restrain CM Vijay, Tamil Nadu Minister Adav Arjuna, and other accused persons from making public statements on the ongoing CBI investigation, and to regulate their interaction with victims' families during the pendency of the probe. DMK moved Supreme Court seeking to restrain Adav Arjuna and others from making public statements that could influence the ongoing probe. So very, very serious allegation being made by DMK against TVK, saying that they are trying to influence the ongoing CBI probe into the Karur stampede. And remember, Pratibha, Arjuna is an accused in Karur stampede case, and it was the Supreme Court which had ordered CBI probe into Karur stampede on October 14, 2025. That is why the DMK wants to get included in the Supreme Court proceedings. DMK has sought safeguards for victims' families who are witnesses and a directive for the CBI to examine Adav Arjuna's allegations. Petition comes after explosive remarks from Adav Arjuna, who alleged that the stampede was planned by the police under the DMK rule. The DMK has fiercely denied these claims, arguing that such statements and TVK Chief Vijay's proposed visit to victims' families are deliberate attempts to intimidate witnesses and interfere with CBI's investigation. So, Pratibha, again, DMK making a very, very serious allegation here, saying that Vijay's proposed visit to victims' families are deliberate attempts to intimidate witnesses and interfere with CBI's investigation.
Okay, all right. Harish, thank you for joining us with all those details. Clearly, there was already a lot of political drama that was taking place. And now, clearly, we're also seeing a legal tussle play out. Let's see how this is going to play out. Harish, thank you for joining us with all those details.